ما هم بأمة أحمد لا والذي فطر السماء ما هم بأمة خير خلق الله بادأ وانتهاء.
Hazrat Maulana Anwar Shah Kashmiri Rahmatullah Alayhi, a great scholar of his time. You've all heard of Hazrat Maulana Anwar Shah Kashmiri Rahmatullah Alayhi, a great scholar of his time. Hazrat Maulana Anwar Shah Kashmiri Rahmatullah Alayhi, he used to openly say to the people, at this moment in time, there is no bigger fitna, calamity than the Qadianis. There isn't a bigger fitna than them. He was saying that at that time. Just imagine what the situation is at this time. If Maulana Anwar Shah Kashmiri Rahmatullahi was alive today, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fill his qabr with noor. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala elevate his ranks in the hereafter. If he was alive today, just imagine what Hazrat Maulana Anwar Shah Kashmiri Rahmatullahi would have had to say after looking at the activities that are going on within the UK of the Qadianis. He said this is the biggest fitna today. Biggest fitna today. And Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said that the biggest fitna will be the fitna of Dajjal. And I say today that Dajjal will be the biggest fitna. But after Dajjal, the biggest fitna is Qadianism. Biggest fitna. Hazrat Maulana Anwar Shah Kashmiri Rahmatullah Alayhi used to say, this is definitely the biggest fitna, the Qadianis. And he says to the people, to the congregation, he says to them, whatever work of Khatm-e-Nubuwwat you do, he says, do the work of Khatm-e-Nubuwwat, protect the finality of prophethood, however you can protect it. And on the day of judgment, I will guarantee, for the work that you do, I will guarantee and I will get the reward from Allah and give it to you on that day. And this is when he was weak. He was ill. Maulana Shah Kashmiri Rahmatullahi. He was on his bed. And he is speaking about the greatness and the finality of prophethood, the importance of the finality of the prophethood of Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So do not take this work lightly. This is a great work. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has kept so much reward behind this work.